Well, we were approaching the end of our balloon flight, heading in kind of into rural Luxor, and it was more of what we heard, a loud explosion, and then a lot of smoke right behind us. I flew in a different company, so I think there were about 8 or 9 balloons. It looked like each one was its own company. We heard lots of sirens. I went back to the hotel. I'm on my way to Aswan to shoot, and, for probably the next hour, lots and lots of sirens. And, interestingly enough, they seem to be coming over a long period of time. I don't know if there was a lack of availability of emergency resources, but it seemed like this was taking some time.